for this particular example, this would be like the PLC is passing a value to the robot in through a group input to register 10, right? And we'll have that in another example of some code and in some more of our videos. And it's going to pass that value based on what program it's going to run. So let's add a little bit more of this structure here. So we'll go next, instruction. We're going to do a call program, and then pick. Okay. Boom. Now here's where we should have added another line of code. Instruction. Then we're going to go jump label, 99. Okay.
That's a big number.
Yep. Edit command 1, insert line. I kind of messed this up. This is for visibility. I don't need this line right here I just added, but I like that line. I'm going to add it here as well. Edit command 1, insert 1 line. And then we're going to go down here to the bottom and we're going to create a instruction label 99. This is why I let Emma sit in on these videos. 1, so we can get some quality time together. 2, because sometimes I move so fast I don't even read what I'm doing, and it's not very good for training's sake. So we're gonna go over here to label 52 now, and we're gonna go instruction, call program, what is this one? Place palette. We're gonna do place palette, then we're gonna do instruction, jump label. I'm gonna let you do this last one, okay, Emma?
Okay.
Okay. Jump to label, not this one.